In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your community display name in Reddit. If you run a community on Reddit, sometimes you may want to update how it appears to your members and visitors. Maybe you've rebranded, refined your topic, or just want a clearer, more descriptive name. The good news is that updating your community display name is simple, and I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along confidently. First, start by opening your community. Make sure you're logged into the Reddit account that has moderator permissions for that community. Without moderator access, you won't be able to see the tools needed to make this change. Once you're logged in, navigate to your community's main page, where you can see the posts, the sidebar, and the community banner if you have one. From there, look for the Mod Tools option. On the desktop version of Reddit, you'll usually find this on the right-hand side of your community page, or along the top, depending on the current layout. Click on Mod Tools to open the Moderator Control panel. This is where you manage everything related to your community. So take a moment to let it load fully. Inside the Moderator Tools, find and click on General Settings. This section controls the core details of your community, including its basic information, visibility options, and various preferences. It's worth being careful here, because changes in this area can affect how your community appears and behaves across Reddit. Within the General Settings page, look for the option labeled Display Name. This is different from the community's actual URL or handle, which usually can't be changed. The display name is what people will see at the top of your community and in search results, and it can be updated to better match your brand or topic. Click on Display Name, and you should see a field where you can type in the new name you'd like to use. Take your time here. Make sure the new name clearly represents your community's purpose, is easy to read, and doesn't violate Reddit's rules. Once you've typed in the new name, double check for spelling mistakes or anything that might confuse potential members. When you're happy with it, confirm or save your changes. After saving, go back to your community's main page and refresh it. You should now see your new display name showing at the top of the community. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and refresh again, as sometimes it can take a short time to update across the site.